Uh, Good morning, students. Now, today we will start the topic matrices. And here, what is this? Is the matrix is a singular word, and matrices is a plural word. So, matrix. What is the matrix? First, we have to understand this. It is an arrangement of numbers in particular rows and columns. Only it is a arrangements. Okay, and how we will do the arrangements and what we will do. Look here. First, we understand. And this matrix is denoted by capital letter. Suppose this is a matrix, and this matrix we represent by capital A, and here these are the elements. How many elements these are? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 elements are here. 12 elements. Look here, these lines is called the rows. So first row, this is second row, third row, three row we have here. And column, these are called columns. Okay, this is vertical elements arrangements is called the column. So first column, this is the second column, this is the third column, and this is the fourth column. So these are the columns. All understand? Now one important thing is that what is the order of the matrix? Order of matrix, we write a simple way in a row cross column. Row cross column. So number of rows are 3, so 3 will write here. Column means how many columns? 4 columns, so 4 column. So 3 cross 4 is the order of the matrix. It represents that 3 cross 4 means 3 here total rows are 3 and columns are 4. All of understand? Now elements can be denoted by Aij. Whatever elements you have here, 12 elements, and each element can be represented by this Aij. I means the row, number of row, and J means column number. Column number we write here. As here is A11 means first row and first column element you have to find out. First row is this and first column is this. So first row and first column element is 2. So we write here 2. Second is first row and second column element. First row and second column element is 3. So we write here 3. First row and third column element. This is first row and third column element. First row and third column element is 4. Next is second row and second column element. Second row and second column element is 5. So we write here 5. Then second row and third column element is 7. So this type you can represent any element. This is what is? This is first row and third column element. Okay, this is third row and second column element. So this type you can represent any element of the row. Look here, students. Now we will do two questions. First question is, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are possible orders it can have, and what if it has 13 elements? So first of all, 24 elements we have. So the order may be, look here, we can write the solution. If total elements are 24, then possible orders are, we can write here 24 into 1. Okay, 24 into 1. Next is 12 into 2. Okay, then 6 into 4. Okay, 6 into 4. Then 3 into 8. Okay, then we have the reverse of these all, 8 into 3, 4 into 6, then 2 into 12, and 24 into 1. Total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next is if it has 13 elements. If it has 13 elements, then possible orders are 13 into 1 and 1 into 13. Only two possible order we can have. Here one question we have to do, that construct a 2 into 2 matrix if A equal to Aij matrix, where Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square upon 2. And here 2 into 2 matrix we will write first. This 2 into 2 matrix we can write here A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay, A11 means first row first column element, A12 means first row second column element, A21 means second row first column element, A22 is second row second column element. Now we have to find out this A11. A11 how we can find out? Look at this is a formula. At place of I and j we have to put 1 and 1. So we get here 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2. Okay, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 9 upon 2 we get. Now similarly 1 A12 we have to find, means place of I we put 1 and place of j we put 2. Two into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 square is 25, 25 by 2. Same as it is, we find the A21. A21 is place of I we put 2 and place of j we put 1. Okay, and so 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16, 16 upon 2 we can write 8. Now A22 means place of I and j we put here 2 and 2. So place of I we put 2 and place of j also we put 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36 upon 2 means we can write here 18. Now look here, these all value we get here, we put here, so we get the answer. This A matrix is equal to A11 we get 9 upon 2, so 9 upon 2 we write. Then 25 by 2, 25 by 2 we write. Then A21 is 8, 8 we can write, and A22 is 18, 18 we can write here. So this type we get the answer. All of you understand this?